You guys ready?
Ready.
All right, I'd like to call the July meeting, the Health Committee meeting to order. I think what we'll do is, just because we are doing this remotely, we'll take a attendance. Pat or Brandon, can you do the roll call?
Sure, I can do that. Ray Joyce,
Here.
Mr. Reedy,
Here.
Mr. Miller,
Present.
Mr. Ward, present. Mr. Langdon, I see you on there. You're muted.
I'm present. Sorry, shouldn't get on.
No, Tony. Ms. Willingham, Ms. McLean Lane, and Mr. Kuhn. 5 present.
All right, thank you, Brandon. Can I get a, I think I saw Dr. Whalen on there. Is Dr. Giordano with us tonight too?
Yes, I am.
Okay, thanks, Doctor. Okay, I'd like to move on previous business. Can I get a motion to approve the previous meeting minutes?
Motion to approve.
Motion by looks like Miller, second by, I didn't see that. Who was that, Brendan?
I think it's Mr. Justin Reedy.
Okay, Mr. Reedy. All in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous. Under current business, authorizing an agreement with the Office of Addiction Services and Supports regarding the Capital Region Open Access Engagement Program and amending the 2020 Department of Mental Health budget. I think that's Dr. Giordano.
Yes, good evening, Mr. Chairman. Can you hear me okay?
Sure can.
Great. So this is a continuation of a grant, 100% state grant that I brought before your committee last year. This is the Capital Region Open Access Program. It's a partnership with Catholic Charities and the Addiction Care Center of Albany. And it is an outreach program for opiate related matters for people who are looking for treatment. To date, we've served about 500 people. This is $11,000 to allow the Department of Mental Health to continue to administer the grant for the State Office of Alcoholism Services. So it's, unfortunately, the grant, we weren't notified that the grant had been renewed until June. And the money runs out in September. But as I said, it's a continuation of a grant that you guys knew about and approved last year. And this will help offset our costs in administering the grant. It's 100% state funding.
Thank you, Doctor. Any questions from the committee?
No.
Hearing none, can I get a motion to approve?
Make a motion to approve.
And Mr. Miller made the motion. I think that was Mr. Reedy. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Opposed? Unanimous.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you, Doctor. Number 3, authorizing an agreement with Cornell Cooperative Extension regarding the Healthy Neighborhoods Program. And I think we have Dr. Whalen on with us tonight for that.
Yes, good evening. So this is a multi-year grant that we've had with the State Department of Health, and I believe I've spoken about it at many meetings. They go into high-risk neighborhoods and provide education and supplies to individuals to combat a multitude of environmental health concerns, from having smoke detectors to radon detectors, carbon monoxide detectors. And we also have a nursing program with that, that they go in and provide asthma visits for kids with asthma. But this is to enlist the support of Cornell Cooperative Extension, who provides the arm that goes in and provides the education.
Thank you. Question to the committee? Hearing none, can I get a motion to approve?
Motion to approve.
Mr. Miller, second.
Second.
I think again, Mr. Reedy. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Okay, number 4, authorizing an agreement with the New York State Department of Health, Health Research Incorporated regarding the Public Health Emergency Preparedness Program.
So, this is very important in conjunction with the work that we're currently doing around COVID. This provides staffing for our epidemiologist and for part of our bioterrorism and public health emergency preparedness staff. And it is for 5 focus areas of planning and assessment, surveillance, information and communication technology, risk communication, and education and training of staff. It's to prepare for any large-scale public health emergencies.
Thank you. Any questions from the committee?
Motion to approve.
Second.
Motion from Mr. Miller, second by Mr. Ward. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous. Okay, number 5, authorizing an agreement with the New York State Department of Health regarding the Drinking Water Enhancement Grant Program.
And another longstanding grant. The funds are provided by the New York State Department of Health, and they chiefly go towards offsetting salary and fringe of our Assistant Director for Environmental Health and the Senior Public Health Engineer who work on a variety of water-related initiatives and complaints in the department.
Any questions from the committee? Can I get a motion to approve?
Motion to approve.
Motion by Mr.
Second.
Miller, second by Mr. Ward. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous. Number 6, authorizing a grant application in an agreement with the New York State Governor's Traffic Safety Committee regarding the General Highway Safety Grant Program.
So I believe, is this our second year on this grant? Shannon, this will be the 3rd year on this grant. Time flies when you're having fun. For pedestrian safety chiefly. So this is a grant that we applied for and received funding for that is for awareness of public health and awareness campaigns for pedestrian safety. It employs things like street teams at busy interactions, providing reflective vests, school presentations, bus kiosk information, and presence at health fairs. And we have been monitoring whether this has an impact over the period of the few years that we've been on this. And it looks like there have been measurable improvements in the amount of pedestrian accidents in Albany County.
Thank you, Dr. Whalen. Any questions from the committee? Hearing none, can I get a motion to approve?
Motion to approve.
By Mr. Miller, second.
Second.
Second by Mr. Ward. All in favor?
Aye.
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 Unanimous. Okay, number 7, authorizing an agreement with St. Peter's Health Partners for closed point of dispensing.
So this is has no money attached, but it is an agreement that we have entered into with many county agencies to provide supplies should it be needed for these entities that are able to provide their own point of dispensing services. So, information would come to us from the federal authorities and the supplies would come from the Strategic National Stockpile. And we kind of just make sure that we parse them out to these partners that we have.
Thanks, Dr. Whalen. Any questions from the committee? Okay. Quick night.
Motion to approve.
Motion by Mr. Miller, second by
Second.
Mr. Ward. All in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Unanimous. Thank you, Drs. Whalen and Giordano, for your time.
Thank you.
Thank you for everything.
Yes, thank you, Dr. For sure. Can I get a motion to adjourn?
I'll make the motion.
Thank you. Sean, all in favor?
Yes.
Aye.
Aye.
Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.